So the intro, I'm coming to you browless, English is so difficult, you guys, and by highly recommended. And no. What is this? I don't know. Okay, bye. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nasra, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. That is the same name as my YouTube channel, Miss Jusha. And on today's video, I would like to do something, well, I'm not sure if you can see already, but I did the basic face already with my foundation and powder. The only thing I'm gonna do in this video is my brows. Without any further ado, so let's jump to the video. The products that I'm gonna be using for this video are really simple. This is the eyebrow powder that I'm going to be using, and to correct, I will be using my concealer from MAC. So for today's video, I'll be using only 3 brushes, and it should be looking like this: a spoolie. The middle one is actually for eyeliner, and this should be the eyebrow brush, but I found this too thick, so I'd rather use this small one. So first things first, I'll grab my small mirror and I will just dab it. And shout out to my friend Mazin from Muscat, who actually surprised me with the intro video. Oh my goodness, I just came home, my phone was exploding with the messages and the banner that he made me for my YouTube channel as well, so go check it out. He is so talented. Once again, Mazin, shukran, shukran, shukran. So what I like to do with the brows is to make strokes, like lines like that, and not to go too wild on my brows. This has been my go-to product, you guys, for like ages, and I'm a bit shy to try out new products. So if you have any recommendation on any other product, let me know down below. I would like to get the, how do you call it? What is the name of that brand? Is it Benefit? Yeah, I think Benefit. I would really love to try out their products because I've seen so many good videos about it. So as you can see, I'm actually done with my eyebrow. Nothing much, it's something really simple. I can be doing this for like a minute. So moving on the second brow, carefully I will start with a line underneath, just like that, and put it like that. I like to go all the way first till the tail, and then I would like to fill it in. Now there are so many ways and so many products that you can be using for this. I know there are this, how do you call it? Well, actually I have one, but I haven't been using it. This is the eyebrow pen, semi-permanent, but I haven't been using it, and it should be looking like this. This is from Essence. I haven't been using it. For today's video, I would like to do something that I'm really familiar with it. Okay, I've gone too far, but don't worry, trust the process. This one is a bit too thick. Let me come close. Yeah, this one is thicker than the other one. Well, this is like an eyeliner wing. They are more of a sisters than twins. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to grab my concealer and the other brush, and I will just get in there and correct it. There is no wrong way or the right way to do this. It's just how you like to do your things. So after I correct it, I like to go back on the spots that I think it's too light, empty, or uneven. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And voila! This is how your eyebrows should be look like after you finish. So like I mentioned before, there are so many products for this. It depends what kind of products you would like to use. Do you like a brow pen? I would just do, for today's video, just do my lashes without any eyeliner, because let's be honest, I'm not going anywhere. So the lashes are done. What can I do? Tap, tap, tap. Okay, we don't want this look to be too wild, you guys, so a little bit can go a long way. Alright guys, we have reached the end of this video. My eyebrows, well, the whole look should be look like this, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and let's connect on Instagram. I will link it somewhere here. My next video should be up this Saturday or Sunday, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and catch you all later. Bye!